Hello, thanks for joining me. I'm Zoe at the Sacramento History Museum, and I'm going to show you how to make a paper rosette. We're making the paper rosettes to celebrate the 100-year anniversary of the ratification of the 19th Amendment. 19th Amendment granted women the right to vote, and August 2020 marks the 100-year anniversary. So the supplies that you will need, you're going to need some purple paper to make the paper ribbon, and then yellow and white. Purple, yellow, and white were the three colors that represented the suffrage movement. So you'll also want some yellow and white so that you can add the little center designs. So to get started, what you'll need is to cut your purple paper into strips, which I've already done. And how you're going to make the ribbon part is you're gonna fold it accordion style. So it will kind of be crinkly looking like this, similar to how a ribbon is. So let me show you how to do that. So you're gonna start folding it on one side, and then you have it folded facing me now, and then you turn that fold back. And you're gonna do this back and forth folding until you reach the end here. Try and make it as even as possible, but if it's not completely even, it won't affect the design of it. So don't worry if you can't keep it even. Mine aren't very even. So once we're done, it will have that ruffle kind of effect, similar to ribbon, and it will be the starting point for our rosette. Okay, so there we go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to tape the ends. Put my tape on the side. And I like to put a piece of tape on one side and then put another on the inside of it too. If I can get it to go. There you go. Fold that down. Now to get it to make that circle, you are going to take it and squish it down. It might take a couple tries to get it all in place. Once you do, you're going to put a little bit of tape in the center on one side, and it might still kind of fight you to stay in that position, and you're going to put another piece of tape on the other side. Now, one trick that I found is to put a purple dot on the back to help keep it in place a little bit better. Tape that down. Oops, my tape came undone in the center here. Okay, so next step is we're going to take our yellow and our white circles to put in the center. Now I have these already pre-cut, but how I did that was I just took the paper and I have kind of like a hole punch and just punched a perfect hole or perfect circle for me, but you could cut these out yourself as well. Or maybe if you have a sticker, that would work too. So what we're going to do is take a little bit of glue, take the white, and then try and stick it right in the center, as you can see here. And then I usually put a little bit of glue and then also roll up some tape. And then stick that on my rosette to keep it in place. So there you have it. You are all ready to celebrate the 100-year anniversary of the 19th Amendment. So enjoy yourselves, and thanks for stopping by to see our video.